I am Dr. Tarandeep Singh Gill, ROBOLENS FT3D knee surgery expert. Knee pain can slowly take away your active lifestyle, and the decision to go in for a knee surgery can be a difficult one. We are here to take your knee surgery experience to the next level. With state-of-the-art artificial intelligence technology from Intelligent Surgical's Canada Arthro3D system and augmented reality technology from Microsoft USA, the accuracy of the knee surgery is unmatched. With ROBOLENS FT3D knee surgery, the journey to get the knee surgery done and recovery process is more convenient than ever before. With ROBOLENS FT3D knee surgery, the convenience that comes with it is unmatched. There is no ICU stay after the surgery. Patient alone after the knee surgery at the time when the support of your family members is most important. Nobody wants metal staples on their knee joint after the knee surgery, which most of the patients are really worried about. Early discharge from the hospital, there is no need to keep the patient in the ICU, and there is an option of stay care in which the patients can choose to stay in the hospital under the care of our physiotherapy team for few more days after the knee surgery to help them recover faster.